Ulta? You like this Ulta, huh?
Yeah, a little sneaky one. I feel like we haven't.
I like that.
Yeah.
I like that.
Yeah, so Ulta's one.
Nice little support buy.
Yeah, a couple little sneaky ones. HCA, again, this is a name we reviewed a few chart talks back. We're buying up the resistance now. Again, a little sneaky support buyback, a few inside days. VMW, another name, kind of just flagging near a resistance level.
Nice.
And then this REYN. This was, I believe, either you called it out or one of the guys in Alpha through 35.
Someone called it out today. I wrote that down. This
Yeah.
looks awesome.
Yeah, so those are the few that I'm keeping a close eye on for the week ahead.
Nice.
What about
Nice.
you?
So yo, this fucking light, dude. We cannot miss light. We cannot miss light. We've been watching this pattern develop for 5 weeks, maybe. I've been in it a bunch of times. It looks like it's setting up perfectly through 79. It stinks because you probably got to buy 79 and like only give it a 75. I can't give this name down to the true support at 71. I can't give 10% over 10% risk there. So I'm gonna try to sneak in through this one at 79. I think this is just gonna be this is gonna rip through this pattern and be back at highs very shortly. We mentioned that Agio 54. This Costco, really nice. I was looking at this one. I was thinking, is this maybe this is a potential short coming into the week? The way it was kind of failing the support area with Friday's action, but as we can see today, it wants to hold the support, and this could be a good, nice long entry right here. This GBT has been giving us fits through the 68. I think it looks really good. This is a really high beta name too. And our buddy Oracle looking really good. We hopped in this one today over the last 54, 50, 55 area against these lows, coming out of a nice little macro pattern. Slower mover, but looks good to park your money there for now. And that's all I got for you.